Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust ringtone volume for XIAOMI 12T. And to do this, first let's try clicking on the sound button, volume up or volume down, then click on these three dots, and right here you'll be able to adjust the volume of the ringtones with a middle slider. And if you want to hear how loud your speaker ringtone is, simply open the settings, locate vibration and sound, and right here in the middle you can see the ringtone and adjust it while hearing the sound itself. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.